Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about Power BI Desktop. First thing is why to use Power BI. Simply because it is a intelligence tool that helps you analyze data and visualize it in your interactive dashboards and reports. How it works? It connects the data with data sources and able to clean the data without affecting the original file to create visualization to help you understand insights. The main reason to use Power BI Desktop is it can connect to over 100 different data sources, file-based data sources like Excel, CSV, XML, PDF, SharePoint folders, database data sources SQL, MySQL, Oracle, IBM DB2, Amazon, BigQuery, SAP HANA, online services, Microsoft Azure, Dynamics 365, Salesforce, Google, Facebook, and others. It can be downloaded from website, Python, scripts, ODBC connections, and main advantage is without knowing any formula, we can able to transform data or clean the data using Power Query Editor. So we can able to sort, filter, remove column, rows, and change the data types. Simply creating visualization. It provides a range of visualization options such as charts, graphs, maps, and more. These visuals help in understanding and presenting data insights effectively. Build reports. You can create comprehensive reports that combine multiple visuals on one or more pages. These reports can be shared with others in your organization or outside organization if it is related to customer. Integration with Power BI services. Once your report is ready, you can publish them to Power BI, making it easy to share and collaborate with others. Regular updates helps to get monthly new features. It's a free to use. How to install Power BI? Just click on Start button, click on Microsoft Store, Power BI. Since it is already installed, that is why it says update. If it is not installed, it will ask Power BI. Click on it. This is initial page of Power BI. You have multiple options to connect. If you don't get it, click on Get Data, and Get Data. You have multiple options here. Excel, text, XML, folder for multiple files to combine, PDF and SharePoint, SQL Server, database, Oracle, IBM DB2. Once you connect it, it will display. Once you select the Excel, you have to select file name. Okay, once you select the file name, you just open it. Click on box. Okay, once click the box, it will display entire data. If you want to make any changes in data, click on transform data so that it will take you to Power BI Query Editor. From there you can able to make some changes in columns or rows or data modifications based on our requirement. Okay, whatever changes it's happened, it will be recorded in applied steps. Okay, now remove some columns. It is why it is mentioning here. If you don't want to remove the column, simply delete from the applied steps, so it will come back. Whatever changes happen, you simply first apply so that the connection will be proper. Once the apply is happened, again you just close and apply. Okay, this is the query part. Simply you just put amount in the column. Just want to select company so that it will display company wise amount detail. Company wise information is displaying. In case you want to another chart, just outside of chart click it, then you will get blank one. You can click amount, then whatever you want you just click it for product, so it will display. Again I want to create one more, I can create it. Again amount with city wise details, I can click city. Like that we can able to create multiple charts. I can able to change the color also from view, and it is tightly integrated. If I click on one graph, it will display in other product also, city wise detail also. One more also, just click on amount and date. Simply it is showing 2024. I want to create only 3 months. In that case, just open it and select month. It will display. To create one more page, simply click on plus button. It will create page 2. From here also we can able to create it. Just click amount and company, and we can able to use filter function also. There are two types of filter functions. One is throughout page it can happen, otherwise it is affecting only one page. There are two options are there. Filter, it will display filter wise details. Chennai with Delhi. You can able to choose whatever choice you want. Pie chart and donut chart. Like that the visualization can happen based on requirement. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.